Hey everybody, Massive Gowan, and welcome to, that was a really weird intro. Welcome to something a bit different. These are really popular on YouTube nowadays. The whole looking at expensive houses in my area to see what I can't afford, but to see how nice they are. Our boy Ethan did one. Ethan, this guy right here, he did one the other day, and he was using a site called Zillow. So I looked it up, and it was like, we cannot find this area. Please check your spelling, interval, zip code. We don't have zip codes in Canada. So it brought them up anyway, because why not? So we're gonna take a look all the way from the west coast, that's Alaska, that's the US, the west coast, all the way over to the east coast. And we're gonna see what the most expensive and nicest houses are in the area. I'm gonna assume that BC and Ontario are gonna be most expensive. BC. British Columbia, I'm gonna sort by high to low price. Holy crap. 8 bedroom, 12 bathroom, 21,000 square feet, $28 million? 28 million. I mean this yard, like, actually my favorite part is this little rooftop area right there. That's nice. I like these pink trees too. That's the one thing, oh my lord, it's an indoors. I don't need a giant tennis court. Like, what? But that's nice. That's, I guess if you're a professional tennis player, maybe. Are you a professional tennis player? See, this is a bathroom. This might be a sauna room, I think. This is really, it's nice, but it's too generic. It's too bland. This, I guess this is a cinema room. I mean, the couch is kind of okay. I don't like that color. Why is that chair so close to the screen? It's a projector. Why don't you just get a big TV? And see, these indents in the ceiling are really good for sound. The sound doesn't echo as much. But the problem is, it's like white and beige. And what he was saying in his other video, when you do like a white anything, there's a reason why this is all black. Because light doesn't reflect. It doesn't look all stupid. If you get a pure white room like this, or even light beige, anything you watch, it's going to be refracting off the walls. It's going to be blinding you. You're not going to be able to see. What's the point? There is no point. That's the reason. I don't like that table. It's too low. That plant's half dead. This looks like a hotel. You want to come down to the pool in my hotel? Nah, that's a cool lamp though. This is nice. I like this. Those are nice. Is that a TV in the wall? No, I don't like this. I don't like having this walk-in area above the TV. You'd be trying to watch something, thumpa. Anything's just, it's just, no, it's too garish. $28 million. Get out of here with that. Apparently, there's nothing in Alberta? Oh wait, yes there is. 6.3. I actually expected it to be more expensive, to be honest. Alberta's kind of expensive. That is way too much garage space. I mean, if you had this house, you'd probably have 4 cars. I like this outside of it. This is kind of nice. I don't like this gravel driveway, though. Get rid of that crap. But the stone, that's kind of nice. Oh, I like how this is attached, too. Usually this is kind of separate. That's a nice little recording room. I'd like to see the inside, please. I'd like to see the inside, please. I'd like to see the inside, please. Huh. You're not allowed to see the inside. You're not allowed to see the inside. 6 bedroom, 7 bathroom, but you can't see them. Saskatchewan. Wait, that's the most expensive place listed in Saskatchewan? 774,000? What is it though? Oh, 4 bedroom, 3 bathroom. 4 bedroom for 700,000? This house would cost like $4 million where I live. Holy moly. The garage, like, I don't understand the whole, hey everybody look at my house. It's just a garage. It just looks like a big garage. Like, this door should be on the front. It's a nice door. Kind of looks like the door of the apartment building though. I don't know. Maybe I'm crazy. I like that Buddha statue. Am I crazy for liking things the way that I do? That's a nice hot tub. To this guy's yard right here. You're going to be in your hot tub? And he's going to be like, hey Steve, how's it going? And you'll be like, hi, I'm just kind of trying to sit here and relax in my hot tub. And he's like, yeah, but you borrowed my lawnmower last week, dude. You want to bring it back? And I'm like, no, man, and you just kind of stumble off into nothing. This is not much. This is kind of embarrassing for a lawn. It's cute. Little garden's kind of cute. This is nice, but this is like, I'm not walking through a nature reserve. I'm trying to walk my thing. This should be like, I don't know, maybe like a dirt path or even paved. I don't know. I'm saying I don't know a lot. What the blue chicken finger? What is happening here? I'm not going to look like this when I'm watching anything. Why is that like this? Why is this like this? What is this? What is this? There's something wrong with your wall. What is happening? What's in that door? That's a kind of okay kitchen. These slippery countertops, though, ain't digging those. What's in that room? Why is it a spooky room? What is this? What is this? What is this? I tear that down. What is this floor even? Oh man. I was kind of, what is this? I was kind of into it until I started looking around. And then I'm like, well, this is a big pile of hammered garbage, isn't it? Those ceilings are really low. What happened there? Oh, it's a bed that goes in the wall. I was like, there was a bed and all of a sudden there was no bed. This is, I mean, it's not bad, but it's, I mean, 700,000? It's actually pretty good. I wouldn't pay like over $1 million for it though. That's kind of bonkers. Is there nothing in Manitoba? Nope. All right, Ontario. This one's probably going to be expensive, yeah. 18.9. 7 bedroom, 9 bathroom. Holy crap. Remarkable lakefront residence on Oakville's Golden Mile. It looks like a grandiose mansion. Mansion? That's too much. That's too much. You don't want to look like you're like Fresh Prince. I don't like how close they are. If you own a house this big, you're not going to live that close to someone else. You want some space. You want some privacy. What is with this floor? I don't want to look down and see myself whenever I look on the floor. Too shiny. Too, I don't know, too gilded? It's too ornate. I wouldn't feel comfortable making like a big turkey in there. There's actually not a lot of counter space. You have a very minimal space in between the cupboards and the countertop. Ooh. I could actually sit behind this chair and bring people in to fire them. I don't know what I would fire them for. I'd just bring people in to say that you're fired. This looks like the bathtub in Pretty Woman. It's not bad. It's, I don't like those couches. That's a nice big screen though. Again with the white and the light colors. There's a reason why movie theaters are dark. I mean, it's not $20 million worth. Okay, let's go into Quebec. Is there nothing? Nope. Okay, let's go over to Newfoundland. Cool, there is one Newfoundland. 890,000, 4 bedroom, 5 bathroom. Wait. Historically significant, the Vimy built by a World War I veteran survivor of the Battle of Vimy Ridge. Wait, what? Oh, it's a bed and breakfast. So you can kind of just turn it into a house. That's kind of small. How much was this? 890. I mean, it's not. Oh, it is going to go inside. Okay. Oh, I like this little countertop right here. I like this little. It looks small, but that little area to sit in is kind of nice. I like the backsplash. That's nice. The gray. Why is the microwave so low? Why is the microwave down in the ground? What? I don't want to bend over to get my popcorn. The floor's nice. I like the floor. I mean, it has history behind it, so I'm going to be a bit easier on it. I like this. This is a nice little sitting room to like entertain guests with tea. I like the chalkboard. That's cool. Oh, I like the coffee too. Okay, I like to see. Okay, there's the bedrooms. There's a fireplace in the bedroom. That's very early 1900s. Bathroom's kind of nice. I'm digging that. I'm digging this. That's really nice. Yeah, okay, I'm into that. I like that sliding door. Wait, does that go into a closet? Is that like a walk-in closet? Ooh, it's a nice shower. Ooh, this is nice. Those stairs go down. That's like a loft bedroom. Oh, shiver me timbers. That slides across to a private bathroom. Holy crap. Okay, I like that. I like these closets on these doors that slide. That's badass. Why are there two chairs? For your attendants to give you a bath like Game of Thrones. Oh. Hey, sir, do you want extra hot water in your bath? Why, yes, I do. I don't like that little window. I mean, it lets some light in, but... Ooh, this is cute. Like a little bar. Okay. What's that? What do you do with this? Do you jump on it? And then have a poop? That bathroom's kind of mediocre. This is a nice downstairs pantry kitchen. That's kind of nice. Little garden area. Cool. That's actually kind of neat. For $890, that's actually really nice. Okay, let's go to New Brunswick. That's land. 39,000. 5-bedroom. I mean, the 129 small mobile home type thing. That's kind of cool. 39,000? Excuse me? I gotta see what kind of condition this is in for 39,000. Oh, that pink. I mean, it's a fixer-upper. Oh, 39,000. Come on. Actually, you're gonna be surprised by this. For 39,000, this is actually really nice. Ugh, some of that wood paneling. If you got a mortgage for like 150, you could put a lot of work into this and make it really, really nice. Wow, New Brunswick, you don't got many listings, do you? PEI, PEI. Wait, can I not click Prince Edward Island? I can't actually click it? I have to manually go through them? Okay, let's just go to the capital. Let's go to Charlottetown. That's 309, that's a business. 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 429. We'll give PEI the benefit of the doubt and take a look. Ooh. I don't like that light pine looking wood like that. It kind of reminds me of a like cabin in the woods. Like I don't want to go to a cabin in the woods. I want to go home. I don't want to go hunt buffalo or whatever they do in cabins in the woods. I mean, it's definitely unfinished. It's cute. It's cute. For $500,000, it better be cute. Time to go to my home province. Nova Scotia. 5-bedroom, 7-bathroom, 3.2 million? Wait. Unsurpassed and ever spectacular ocean views with 350 feet, 9 acres. Is it all of these? Do you get 5 houses? Single family? There are 3 guest rooms? Wait, I don't get it. Is it one of those places? I think it's just one of them. Oh, it's that big place up there and you can like rent. Okay, this is like a business. We're not going to look at that one. A 5-bedroom, 5-bathroom, 2.1. Poof. Poof. Okay. Oh, that view. I don't like that green with that beige. That doesn't look right at all. Wow, okay. That's an ugly as all hell fireplace. Do stainless steel, dude. You got this wood. You're going to do stainless steel. You don't want to do black and like a mahogany wood. That doesn't look right. What is this pink countertop? Pink countertop, black fridge, grayish brown floor, mahogany type wood, green walls. Like you just do like a handful of mushrooms and then design your house. That's okay. That's okay. I like that color. That like cappuccino paint color. That's nice. Don't like that wood, but that's nice. Don't match your blinds to match your crappy wood. That's kind of okay. This is kind of decent. That's a nice view. It's a oh man, what's with this countertop? That was really popular in 1991. And the frosted glass, get rid of that. Those look like they're a 90-degree angle. I would fall down and break my head. Light brick gold. This is definitely designed by like a rich person in the early 90s that had like the shoulder pads and like the red Corvette, and he thought he was 25 but he was actually 52, and he was like, I'm gonna design a really cool house to make people think that I'm rich and famous. But he built a nice house, but he designed it like a maniac with a bunch of money that didn't know what he was doing. That's the vibe I'm getting here. Like, what's this color? What is that? Rotten salmon? Is that a real color? What is this? Guest kitchen? With your white fridge and your light pine? This really reminds me of my grandparents. Oh man. It's a nice couch. That's a really small room. This is a really, really small room. You could turn this into some sort of like, I don't know, art room or something. What is this? An office for your patients when they come in and tell you how crappy your paint job was. Alright, I feel bad. If anybody lives in places like this, I'm sorry for shitting all over your house. But it's just a personal taste. Anyone's entitled to their own opinion, and that is my personal opinion. I'm not a big fan of stuff like this. It's different. It's not my cup of tea. But if it is your cup of tea, let me know down in the comments down below. And if you liked it, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button down below. If you like content like this, also let me know and we'll take a look at more of this stuff. So for now, thank you for being awesome. Please be safe, please be kind, and I will see all of you in the next video.